We're going to talk about the food tastes, right? If the food is spicy, salty, sweet, sour, bitter, and sour. So what you call and when you call these words, right? So let's start. This when there's a dish and which is in like Mexican, Indian, Chinese things in where the pepper will make this thing spicy. You said when there is a use pepper, you will say it will be a spicy thing, right? It's spicy. The most well-known dish is curry. That's spicy, right? And we say salty when there is a salt added in a more quantity because it's salty. Right? Like it's French fries, potato chips, fried fish, fish and chips, popcorns, and salted nuts are salty products. Like you says them as a salty, right? And what's about the sweet? This is natural sweet products like we use sweets and all that stuff, sugar and coffee and all that are sweet, like chocolates, candies, cheesecake, chocolate cake, ice cream, jam, cookies, and all that stuff. Right? What that sour means in a taste? Sour taste is usually created by citric acids, right? When there is an acid into them, like just grapes, grapefruit, oranges, sometimes you can say. Right? Some dairy products also, such as milk, cheese, yogurt, are sour creams, right? Vinegar and the sour taste is very strong and can be used as favorable reaction to it, right? Means when you use any sort of milk products or fruits like grapes and oranges, we say that their taste is sour, right? What's bitter? You have learned it, but bitter is a strange taste. Usually people try to avoid it. It's like some medicines are bitter. It's like anything like coffee is bitter, dark chocolate is bitter. Sometimes like green tea is just example. Beer is an example. Who drinks first time he knows that person. And cranberries and all that stuff, right? These are now main word savory taste can be also provided as umami, right? It is usually get a food find tasty without it being sweet, salty, or spicy. When a food is not sweet, not salty, or not spicy, but it's tasty, usually sour foods include like dishes that I have a strong desirable taste, like savory, right? It includes like meat, nuts and seeds. It's pizza. It's not spicy. It's not salty. It's not sweet. It's tasty, right? It's overall taste called savory, right? Nuts and seeds, pizza, veggies, potatoes, egg fried rice, bread, soup,